up, everybody? Reaction Action Nation here with the WorldOfDevin segment, and today I am here to react to a Family Guy clip titled Mr. Booze. Now, I understand this is a musical piece, and I love the music for Family Guy. Certain songs, not all, but certain songs I love. So we're gonna check this song out and see what it's about and see what's up and what's cool. But do me a favor, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell for more notifications from me, and then it'll come to you, and also let me know what you're on me to next, and I got you found. Hashtag RAN. Let's get straight into this video. I'm ready. Let's go.
Oh no, there's a policeman coming.
All right, everybody, you know what to do. Alcoholics, transform!
All right, what the hell's going on in here? We got a noise complaint.
Yo, shh, meeting's about to start. We are gathered here again tonight, fellow AA members, to talk about the greatest temptation the devil ever created. Alcohol. Mr.
To me, seduction.
Mr. Booze. Mr. B-double-O-Z-E.
That sure spells booze.
You will wind up wearing tattered shoes if you mess with Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze. Don't mess with B-double-O-Z-E. If you've been so stiff they thought you died, you'll feel better once you've testified. Testify.
Oh yeah.
Testify.
I want to testify.
Well then cleanse yourself, my son. Cleanse yourself.
One time I took a library book out and I fell asleep reading it and I left it under the bed. I forgot about it for 3.5 years. I was gonna take it back on Amnesty Day, but on Amnesty Day I had a sip of rosé wine and I never made it out of the house.
Who's to blame?
Who's to blame?
What's his name?
We know his name is Mr. Booze. Mr. Booze. Mr. B-double-O-Z. He don't ever choose any game you play with him, you lose. So don't mess with Mr. Booze.
If your head feels like it's 2 miles wide,
2 miles wide.
you'll feel better once you've testified.
Testify.
Oh yeah.
Testify.
I want to testify.
Well, come forward, dear brother, and testify.
I used to be a soda pop guy. Then I switched to the bottle. Now I don't leave my couch, and I've seen every movie ever. You name a movie, I've seen it.
Meet Dave,
Seen it.
the Iger sanction.
Seen it.
Donovan's Reef,
Seen it.
license to drive.
Definitely seen it.
That's a shame.
What a shame.
Who's to blame?
But hurry, his name is
Mr.
Booze. Mr. Booze, Mr. B-double-O-Z-E. You must refuse. You'll make the other two wear the news if you mess with Mr. Booze. If you've been so stiff they thought you died, you'll feel better once you testify. Testify. Testify.
This man wants to testify. Very well, my brother, let us lead him on the path of righteousness.
This poor gentleman used to speak in long, eloquent sentences, but after years of drinking, he can only speak in short, choppy utterances. Why, at one time, if you asked him who his favorite musicians were, he'd say Leonard Bernstein, Johann Sebastian Bach, and Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. But thanks to that old devil hooch, it's all changed. Who's your favorite musician, Ollie? Cher! He doesn't even like Cher. Now, alcohol makes a big man small and can lead to a life of crime.
Demon rum makes a gent a bum and you cash him before your time.
Bootleg gin puts you in a spin till you don't even know your name.
You're a basket case flat on your face, and there's only one guy to blame.
Mr. B-double-O-Z.
Mr. Booze, Mr.
B-double-O-Z. He don't ever choose. You'll wind up wearing tattered shoes
If you mess with Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
Oh, Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
Oh, Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with B-double-O-Z-E, 'cause that spells booze, and you're gonna lose with Mr. Booze. Don't mess around with Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
That's what he said now.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
Oh, Mr. Booze.
Don't mess with Mr. Booze.
Wow, you guys, I'm impressed that you're taking your sentence so seriously, and I know that the court will be happy to hear this too. Now, if you'll just keep it down so I don't get any more complaints.
Sure, no problem, Joe. Thanks for stopping by.
Wow. Really positive song. I loved it. That's the one thing I love about Family Guy. They do so well with their songs, like they're so memorable and classic. I can't stress that enough. Man, I love that song. Alright, do me a favor, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell for more notifications from me and it'll come to you. Also let me know what's wrong with your reaction next and I got you, fam. Hashtag RAN. I'll see you guys next time in Reaction Action Nation, our World of Devin segment. Peace out.
About animal rights? What about my rights? You're such a heartless bitch!
What? Ooh. Yep. Heartless, alright.
Not so heartless anymore.
Oh my god! Over! Chris.